What is the difference between especially and specially? These are two confusing adverbs which are often interchangeable. There are some differences, and in this video I'm going to speak about this difference. So guys, stay tuned. Especially is used to signify something is greater than all others, to mean particularly or above all. We usually use it when something stands out from all the other things. Use it to mean very or extremely, and it usually comes before adjective. For example, he loves his family, especially his mother. So here, he loves his mother more than the other members of the family. He loves animals, especially cats. So he loves cats above the other things. He did especially well in science. So he did better in science than other subjects. So my dear friends, especially is used to signify something is greater than all others. But specially is used to speak about the specific purpose of something, a designated purpose. So my dear friends, we use it to signify something for a special and particular purpose. We use it to imply the meaning in a special manner or to imply intention. For example, his suits are specially made for him by his tailor. So we are speaking about a designated purpose, a particular purpose. So these suits are just made for him, not other people. This part is specially designed for bosses. Her dress was specially made for the wedding. So we are speaking about a particular purpose. So this dress was designed just for the wedding, not the other occasions. Specially trained dogs are used as guides. So my dear friends, we use specially to mean for a particular purpose, and it usually comes with passive structure verbs. For example, these houses were specially made for small families. It's Halloween, so I rented this movie specially for this occasion. This computer game is specially for children with some learning difficulties. So guys, we are speaking about a particular purpose. My father made this model airplane specially for me. They would come down specially to see us. She wore a specially designed costume. This school is specially for those children whose schooling has been disrupted by illness. Before adjective, it's better to use especially to emphasize them. For example, we usually say especially good, not specially good. No, that's wrong. Especially cannot be used at the beginning of the sentence. So guys, keep this point in your mind. She loves vegetables. She likes especially carrots. So we don't say especially she loves or she likes carrots. That's wrong. So especially doesn't come at the beginning of the sentence. So guys, we have a test. Choose the best expression to complete the sentence. You have 10 seconds to answer this question. So are you ready to check your understanding on this point? Let's do it.